Hello, hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of Beyblade X. I think the Korean version. I think it's the Korean version. Phoenix rubber deck set. So yeah, Phoenix Feather. Finally have it. Definitely a 970. 970. Yeah, definitely the Korean one. But it's really nice to have these guys. So yeah. Let's get it open. That is for a good deal. Okay. Oh, jeez. They take this like crazy. Okay. There we go. Okay. Jeez. A lot thicker plastic. Seems like. Yeah. Here's the main one. Oh. So there's him. Let me just open it up. There's the two, a gray two. Okay. And the needle, or not needle, blank on the one. So let's get the rest of it open. Another cool one to get. 170. That's interesting. And finally, a gear. Or gear flat. And let's get the main course done. And there will be a little special one. There he is. Gorgeous red. And another ball type. And since I got the Korean version of Cobalt Dragoon as a little special case right here, because it was on sale, and of course I do like Cobalt Dragoon. Since it is a Dragoon, don't need to worry about the box, since I have the Japanese one. Ah, no! Cut my damn bed. Shit. Okay. Here's the left spin launcher. Again, they use a lot thicker plastic on this. It's annoying. There's cobalt. There's 260. And here. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.